Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So continuing class 10th coordinate geometry, third part, that is area of triangle part. So in previous session we had discussed distance formula as well as second part section formula. So now we are moving on to the next concept, that is area of triangle. So as you all know, the name itself saying about we are finding the area of triangle, right? So basically area of triangle means we are going to write the formula you have learnt in your lower class, that is half into base into height, right? So but now we are using the different formula in this coordinate geometry section. For example, observe, if we consider a coordinate axis, observe I am considering a coordinate axis now. So as you know, it is x-axis, y-axis. If I consider any 3 points, like point A, I'll consider like this is point B and point C. Like point A, it is x1, y1, point B, x2, y2, point 3, x3, y3. Okay, if we join all these points, we are getting a triangle, right? We are getting a triangle of 3 coordinates, right? Using these 3 coordinates, and this formula is derived in your textbook, once you can refer that. So directly I am going to the formula because derivation is not important. So as you all know, in your lower class you learned this formula, right? Half into base into height, right? Area of triangle formula. But in this section we are using these coordinates for the formula. Observe the formula. So for A is equal to, that is area of triangle is equal to half we will take, yes, as it is, we have half into, we have to consider all these coordinates, right? So I am considering x1 into y2 minus y3. That means we are considering x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula of the triangle when the 3 coordinates are given in the area of triangle section. Observe carefully. So in coordinate axis, if we consider any 3 points like x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, it forms a triangle. So to find the area of triangle, we have a formula in this, that is called A is equal to half. You have to write as it is, half. You have to consider x1. Observe, it is very easy to remember. x1 into y2 minus y3 you take. 1 after 1, take 2, 3. Observe, 2, 3. y2 minus y3. Okay, x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2. Always remember, all in 3 cases we are multiplying x1, x2 and x3 are multiplying. In between minus, if you are taking 2 subtraction of 2 coordinates, y coordinates, you have to take 2, 3 because you have taken 1, 2, 3. Okay, next x2 plus x2. After 2, what is the number? 3, 1. Okay, next after 3 plus x3 into 1, 2, like this. For example, look here, if I take 1, 2, 3 like that. So first 1, 2, 3. Okay, next if you come for 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Next if you come from 3, 3, you have to come back 3, 1, 2 like this. Okay, so observe, 1 x1 into y2 minus y3, okay, plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So 1 after 1 you have to go for 2, 3. After 2, 3, 1. Okay, after 2 it is 3, right? Then 1. 3 means you have to come from first, 1, 2. So y1 minus y2. So this is the formula of area of triangle that you have to remember. Okay, using this formula, we are going to, observe, we are going to solve the area of triangle. Listen, in the question paper, what they will give, find the area of triangle whose vertices are, they will give 3 vertices. That means 3 coordinates. So in that, write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and write the formula, substitute it, simplify it, finally you will get the answer. This is very simple. Only you have to remember the formula, that is A is equal to half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula of area of triangle in coordinate geometry. So now using this formula, let us solve exercise 7.3, which is your last exercise in this lesson. Exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. As I told you, the same question, find the area of triangle whose vertices are. So you have 3 vertices you will get. So as soon as if you find 3 vertices, write it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So now area of triangle formula. So area of triangle, that is A is equal to, write the formula first, half. Yes, what you have to write first, x1. Y you have to consider after 1, 2 minus 3. Okay, again plus x2. After 2 you have to consider 3 minus 1. Okay, plus next after x2 you have to consider x3. 3 after y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. Only thing is you have to substitute now. Half will be as it is. What is x1? 2. y2 minus y3, that is 0. Observe here, 0. y3 you have minus 4. In equation you have minus into minus plus 4. Okay, it's clear. Plus you, what are you having? x2, it is minus 1. Write it minus 1. Then y3 minus y1. y3 it is minus 4. y1 it is minus 3. Plus what is x3 now? 2. So 2 into what is y1? 3. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. Now let us simplify this. Half will be as it is. Observe here. 0 plus 4. 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Next. Here, observe here. Plus into minus, minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3. It is minus 7. Minus into. Observe minus into minus plus. So plus 7. Because minus 7 into minus 1 it is plus 7. Again 3 minus 0, 3. 3 2s are plus 2 here. 3 2s are 6. So plus 6. Now let us add all these. So if we add all these, what you will get? 8 plus 7 plus 6. So 8 plus 7 it is 15. 15 plus 6 it is 21. So directly you can write it as 21 by 2. Or half of 21, how much you will get? 10.5, right? So 10.5 square units you have to write. Because here, as you all know, area, if we consider area, you will write meter square, centimeter square, like that, right? But here, we won't get any centimeter, meter, because they have in vertices. At that time, just you write square units. So 10.5 square units, or you can stop 21 by 2 square units. So this is how you have to find the area of triangle for the given vertices. Just to write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Take the formula. Observe, when you're writing formula, be careful, and when you're substituting also, you have to check each and every point. And in simplification also, you have to check both plus and minus, or minus into minus, or plus into plus, like that. Finally you add together and divide by 2. Sometimes it will be equally dividable, sometimes it is not, so you can keep it as it is, or you can keep it in decimal also. Okay, I think it's clear. So in the first question only, we have another sub question. Sub question 2, minus 5 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 5, 5 comma 2. So as soon as, if you are observing the vertices, first you write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, then what is our next step? Writing the formula. Area of triangle, that is A is equal to half. Okay, half. What is x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, now just substituting. If you write the formula, solving these type of problems are very easy. So let us substitute. What is x1? It is minus 5. What is y2? y2 it is minus 5, minus y3 it is 2, plus what is x2? 3, y3, observe y3 it is 2. Okay, y1, so y1 you have minus, in equation we have minus, minus into minus, plus 1. Okay, plus what is x3? It is 5. Again y1 it is minus 1, y2 it is minus 5. In equation we have minus, minus into minus, plus 5. Okay, remaining let us solve. Half minus 5 minus 2, minus 5 minus 2 you will get minus 7, minus 7 into minus 5. Observe, minus 7 into minus 5, minus into minus plus, 7 5s are 35. Next, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. Again, minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 will get plus 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So now let us solve this. So what will be the answer? 35 plus, observe, 35 plus 20, it is 55. 55 plus 9. 55 plus 9, 64. So what is half of 64? Ones are, so 32s are. So finally how much you got? 32 square units. 32 square units. So area of triangle, in this case it is 32 square units. As I told you, sometimes it is equally divisible or sometimes you will get decimal point. Okay. Now the coordinates, write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Write the formula correctly, substitute it, simplify it, finally write the answer in SI unit, that is square units. Okay, this is fixed, square units. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Okay, so observe, in this case you are having a word called collinear, right? So the same word we heard in distance formula, right? The same word we used in distance formula. So collinear means, as I told you, if all points are in a same line, we say that the points are collinear. Okay, so as I told you in distance formula, what we used to do? So we used to take the 3 coordinates. We used to find AB, BC and CA. If we add 2 of the distance formula, it must be equal to third one, right? So here in these type of problems, artha madkoli question na ee tara kotre, find the value of k antane kotre, okay, ನೀವು area of triangle ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಬದಲು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay, so the name itself, they are saying that these points are collinear. Collinear anta bandaga, let us write the formula. So area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle formula? So there is A is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2, okay, y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So we have a formula. Okay, so now what we have to do in this type of case, means they are only saying these points are collinear, right? So they are saying these type of points are collinear. So at that case area becomes 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏರಿಯಾನ 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 0. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ x1 ಹಿಯರ್ 7. What is y2 minus y3? y2 minus y3, it is 1 minus k. So 1 minus k. Okay. Plus what is x2? 5. y3 minus y1. K minus, look here, y3 it is k. y1 it is minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Okay. Then plus x3 it is 3. y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 it is minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So now let us continue this. Half, multiply this, 7 ones are 7. 7 into minus k, it is minus 7k. Again plus 5 into k, it is 5k. 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. Minus 3 into plus 3. Minus 3 into plus 3, it is minus 9. Minus 9. Let us simplify this. So observe here. So it will be what? It will be half, right? So 0 0 we will substitute. 7, observe, plus 10 minus 9 plus 7. Okay, and observe minus k. First let us add all the numbers. So 10 plus 7, it is 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, you will get 8. Okay, 8. Here if you consider minus 7k plus 5k, it is minus 2k. Minus 2k. Now cross multiply these two. 2 into 0, it is 0. 1 into this whole thing, you will get same. So 8 minus 2k. Okay, take minus 2k to the LHS. Minus 2k becomes plus 2k is equal to 8. So what happens to the k value? K is equal to 8 by 2. So finally k is equal to 1s are 4s are. K is equal to 4. So in this case k is equal to 4. It is very simple. Just write the formula, same area formula. At this case take area is 0, because if all points are on the same line, you cannot form the triangle itself. So at that time definitely the area will be 0. Okay, so you have to take area is equal to 0 and remaining substitute it, simplify it. Just you have to multiply if it is like this. So 7 into 1 7, 7 into minus k minus 7k, 5 into k 5k, 5 2s are 10, minus 2 minus 1 it is minus 3, minus 3 into plus 3 it is minus 9. First add all the numbers. 10 plus 7 it is 17, 17 plus 9 it is 17, minus 9 it is 8. So minus 7k plus 5k it is minus 2k. So you will write like this, and if you multiply 2 this side, half 2 it is 0 only. So take minus 2k to the LHS. K is equal to 8 by 2. So finally you got k is equal to 4. So this is the sub question 1. In question number 2 we have sub question 2. Question 2. So if we come for sub question 2, here also what you have to do, write x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Formula, as you all know what is the formula. So area of triangle, that is A is equal to half will be as it is. First let us take x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So now what we are having, right, half. So what will be the area? 0, as it is collinear. So here they are saying area is collinear, right? So at that time what you have to consider, area is equal to 0. So if you can write, if vertices, you can write the reason also. If vertices are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Okay, this is the reason why we are taking 0 here. Okay, so now next let us substitute. What is the x1? It is 8, right? 8. What is y2 minus y3? Y2 minus y3 means it is minus 4 minus 5. So minus 4, but you have minus in the equation, minus into minus it is plus 5. Again plus, what is k? Sorry, what is x2? K it is. Okay, remaining y3 minus y1. Y3 it is minus 5. Y1 it is 1, so it is minus 1. Plus what is x3? 2. Y1 minus y2. Y1 it is 1. Y2 it is minus into minus plus 4. Okay, so now let us simplify this. Again observe here, if you multiply 0 to the LHS it becomes 0 only. So remaining let us write minus 4 plus 5. Observe, minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 it is 1. 1 8s are 8. Now what is minus 5 minus 1? What is the value of minus 5 minus 1? It is minus 6. Minus 6 into k it is minus 6k. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 2s are, observe, 4 plus 1 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10. So now let us simplify this. 10 plus 8 it is 18 minus 6k. 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Take minus 6k to the LHS, it becomes plus 6k is equal to 18. So k is equal to 18 by 6. 18 by 6. So if you simplify this, 18 by 6 you will get 3. So k is equal to 3. 6 1s are 6 3s are. K is equal to 3 in this case. Just you write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So what is the reason here? If the points are collinear means they are all in the same line. If all are in the same line, you don't have triangle, then definitely the area of triangle is 0. So if vertices are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. So write the formula, half into x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. So substitute it, simplify it, then finally k value is 3 here. So this is about question number 2. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle. So we have to consider triangle. Let us consider a triangle. Okay, let us consider it as A, B and C. Okay, let us consider A, B, C. So they have given the vertices. What is A vertices? 0, minus 1. What is B vertices? 2 comma 1. What is the 3? 0 comma 3. So now what we have to consider? We have to consider the midpoint of these sides. So if I consider midpoint, let us consider this point as D, and I will consider another midpoint as E, and I will consider another midpoint as F. Okay. So find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle. We have to join this. Okay. So if we join, what we are seeing that we are observing another triangle, right? DEF. One is ABC. On this AB we are taking one midpoint. On this BC we are taking one midpoint. On this AC we are taking another midpoint. So if we join all these midpoints, we are getting another triangle. Now what we have to do is we have to find the area of this triangle, smaller triangle, as well as we have to find the area of bigger triangle also. Okay. Then we have to find the ratio between them. That means we have to divide both the areas. Okay. So now observe. First, before finding the area of DEF, first we have to find the vertices, right? Haudalva? So namge ABC beku andre vertices ide. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 anta. Adre DEF ke vertices illa. Adanna first find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡೋದು? As you all know, in the line if we consider another point which is exactly in between that line, we can apply midpoint formula alva. Midpoint formula apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so on applying midpoint, so let us write, so in triangle, let us write in triangle ABC, so let us write the vertices, that is A, that is 0 comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1, C 0 comma 3. Okay, so first D is a midpoint. First let us write D is midpoint on AB. So D of x comma y, right? So if you find D value, what will be the D value? So x1, if you can directly you can write the formula. Ille barkombidi side al bekare formula ottige x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, whichever it is. So that means you have to add x coordinates divided by 2, you add y coordinate divided by 2. Okay, so now in this case if you want AB means first add 0 plus 2. Observe, directly we can write it. So x coordinate 0 plus 2 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1. Observe, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, x with x, y with y, and divided by 2. 0 plus 2 it is 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 it is 2, 2 by 2 it is 1. So what will be the point of D? So 1 comma minus 1 plus 1 it is 0 by 2 it is 0. So what will be the D point? It is, so here what we can write, 1 comma 0. Now you got D value, right? So you got D value, that is 1 comma 0. Now let us find E now. E midpoint. E is a midpoint of BC. E is a midpoint of, so midpoint of BC. So BC. So that means you have to find the E coordinate, right? So E coordinate, if you want E coordinate, what happens? The value, so that is BC means 2 plus 0 by 2. So 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. Observe, x coordinate, y coordinate, like this, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So finally what you will get? 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 it is 2. 2 by 2 it is 1. 1 plus 3 it is 4. 4 by 2 it is 2. So 1 comma 2. So this is 1 comma 2. Okay, then finally let's go for F. So what is F? Is a midpoint of AC. So F is a midpoint. So midpoint of AC. F is a midpoint of AC. That means you have to find the F coordinate, right? So F coordinate means, observe here, 0 plus 0. Here also you can check. 0 plus 0 by 2. So here it becomes 0 plus 0 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Finally what you got? E of 0 plus 0 it is 0 by 2. It is 0 only. Minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 it is 2. 2 by 2 it is 1. So this is 0 comma 1. Okay, these are the midpoints. How to find the value midpoints DEF using midpoint formula. Just you have to, don't worry about this formula, only you have to do this. You have to add x coordinate divided by 2, you have to add y coordinate and divide by 2. Okay, now you got both the triangle vertices, the smaller triangle that is joining off all the midpoints and all the bigger triangle. Now find area of smaller triangle as well as area of bigger triangle, both. So now using that you have to find the ratio of the two triangles. Okay, so now let's solve this. Observe now, first write like this: area of triangle ABC 3 vertices, area of DEF 3 vertices. Now apply the x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Again x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so now write the formula. What is the formula? Area is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So now let us substitute. Half will be as it is. What is x1? 0. y2 minus y3, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 plus what is x3? It is 2. y3 minus y1, 3 it is as it is. Minus in equation also we have minus, minus into minus plus. Plus what is x3? 0. y1 minus y2, it is minus 1. y2 it is again minus 1. Okay. So now let us simplify this. Half will be as it is. Observe 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 it is minus 2. Anything is multiplied to 0, it is 0. Okay. Then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Again here minus 1. Observe here minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 it is minus 2. Minus 2 again it is multiplied to 0. It is 0 only. So finally how much you got? So half into, finally half into, or everything if you add you will get 8 only. So 2 1s are 4s are. So what is the area of triangle ABC? You got 4 square units. So 4 square units. Okay. Then if we come for area of triangle DEF, the same thing you have to do. So area is equal to, formula will be same, half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. While writing formula, be careful. Now half, what is x1? 1. y2 minus y3, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus what is x2? 1. y3 minus y1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 plus what is x3? It is 0. y1 minus y2, that is 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2. Now let us simplify this. Half will be as it is. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 1s are 1. Again 1 minus, observe, 1 minus 0, it is 1. 1 into 1, it is plus 1. Okay. Then 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. Minus 2 into 0, it is 0 only. So now if we add this 1 plus 1, you will get half into 2. 2 2 cancel. So finally you got 1 square units, right? 1 square unit. So area. So in this case it is 4 square unit. In this case it is 1 square unit. So now what we have to do? We have to find the ratio. They're asking to find the ratio area of triangle DEF. So let us write. So ratio, if we consider a ratio, that is area. So let us find. So let us find area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC. If I find like this, divide, ratio means we have to divide. So what you got? You got here 1 divided by 4, that is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. What is the ratio? 1 is to 4. That means if the area of DEF, that is joining the midpoints, will be 4 times. So it is 4 times more. That is a bigger triangle will be 4 times more. Okay. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order. Okay. So now I think the same question you have learnt in your 9th standard, that is in Heron's formula, I think. So finding the area of quadrilateral, that means we used to join the diagonal and the diagonal splits the whole quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Separately you are finding the, using Heron's formula used to find the one triangle and area of another triangle, and together you can add, you will get the total area of that quadrilateral. Here also what we have to do, first write the quadrilateral. So let us write the quadrilateral like this. If I consider a quadrilateral like this, so let us consider it as A, B, C and D. So now if we join these two diagonals, any one of the diagonal, the whole quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So let us write. So what is A? Minus 4 minus 2. As they said, we have to consider the in order. So it is minus 3 minus 5. C is 3 minus 2. This is 2 comma 3. Okay. So now this is one triangle. This is another triangle. Apply area of triangle for this. Apply area of triangle for this. After that, add together. Okay. First, let us take area of triangle of ABC. Okay. So now let us consider area of triangle ABC. So if I consider ABC, what will be the points? So what is A? Minus 4 comma minus 2. B, it is minus 3 comma minus 5. C, 3 comma minus 2. Now let us write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, so now let us write formula, that is area is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So now if we divide it, now x1 it is minus 4, y2 minus, observe, y2 minus y3, that is minus 5. You have minus 2 here, minus, so minus into plus, it is plus 2, plus what is x2? It is minus 3, y3 minus y1, so minus 2. Here you have minus 2, so minus, it is plus 2, plus x3 it is 3, y1 minus y2 it is minus 2, y2 it is minus into minus plus 5. So now let us simplify this. Half, observe here, minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 it is minus 3, minus 3 into minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12. Observe here, minus 2 plus 2 it is 0, 0 into anything it is 0 only. Again, plus 2 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5 it is 3, 3 3s are 9. So if we add these, so if we add 12 plus 9, so 12 plus 9 you will get 21 by 2 square units. Okay, let it be. So now let's go for next triangle, that is ACD. So now area of triangle ACD, let us consider ACD. A, what is A now? A, it is minus 4 minus 2. C, it is 3 comma minus 2. D, it is 2 comma 3. Okay, so now let us write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So what is the formula? Again, A into half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So now let us substitute half. What is x1? It is minus 4, y2 minus y3 minus 2, observe, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, plus x2 it is 3, y3 minus y1, y3 it is 3, y1 it is minus 2 minus it is plus 2, plus x3 it is 2, y1 minus y2, y1 it is minus 2, y2 it is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, so now what will be the answer? Half, observe here, minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5, minus 5 into minus 4, observe, minus 5 into minus 4, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 it is 5, 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 15. Again, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 into anything it is 0. So finally how much you got? So 20, it is 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 square units. Okay. So now finally what you can write? So finally what we can write? So area. So area of quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD, which is equal to, so area, what we can write, area of triangle, what is ABC, plus area of triangle ACD, right? If we add these two, ABC, ACD, so what will be the answer, final answer? So 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2. What will be the answer if you add these two? 21 by 2, 35 by 2. If bases are same, you can add. So it is 56 by 2. So finally, how much you got? 56 by 2 means it is 28 square units. 28 square unit. It is very simple. So what you have to do? If they give the quadrilateral 4 vertices, join the diagonal. It splits into 2 triangle. So first you have to take ABC, that means you have to consider in order only, A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. If you consider ACD, don't take ADC, ACD only. First after A you have to take C, D. Again here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So you will get 21 by 2 square units, 35 by 2 square units. That means area of quadrilateral ABCD will be the sum of 2 triangles. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So if you add these two, finally you got 56 by 2, and if you divide it, it is totally 28 square units. I think it's clear, right? So this is about question number 4. So let's go for last question in this exercise as well as last question in this lesson. So last question 5. You have studied in class 9th, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of triangle divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC, whose vertices are 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2, C 5, 2. So just you recall, as you all know, if you consider a triangle that we learnt in 9th standard, that is in a triangle, if I consider a triangle A, B and C, let us write the vertices also. It is 4, minus 6, 3, minus 2 and 5, 2. Okay. So for this triangle, if we consider a median, what do you mean by median? If we draw a perpendicular for any of the sides of a triangle, we call it as median. So if we consider any one median, then this median divides the whole triangle into 2 equal parts. That means area will be equal. I think it's clear. So when a median, look here, the median, if we draw median for a triangle and that triangle divides into 2 triangle of equal areas. Okay, for example, here AD is a median. AD is a median for triangle ABC. Then what we have to prove? Area of triangle ADB will be equal to ADC. Just these two are equal. 1 equals 2 we have to write here. So here AD is a median. AD is a median for triangle ABC. Okay. So now if AD is a median, then it divides, therefore median divides triangle ABC into that is into 2 parts, So that means what we have to prove? So area of triangle ADB will be equal to area of triangle ADC. Applying the same area of triangle formula. But here observe, we don't know the points of D, right? We don't know the points of D, right? How to find the point of D? As you know, D is a midpoint. Okay, this we have to prove now. Idanna prove madbekagirandre iveredu area same anta. So adakkinta munche we don't know the points of D, right? So here D is a midpoint of BC. Okay, then what will be the D point? So that is x1 plus x2 by 2 means you have to add x coordinate divided by 2. You have to add y coordinate and divide by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2. So 3 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Okay, what will be the point? 3 plus 5 it is 8. 8 by 2 it is 4. Minus 2 plus 2 it is 0. 0 by 2 it is 0. So what is the D coordinate? It is 4, 0. 4, 0. Now let us find separately ADB and area of triangle ADC. Okay, now consider like this, area of triangle ADB and area of triangle ADC. Okay, so now write the points ADB by looking at the figure and ADC. Okay, so now write the x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Here also x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So now what is the formula? First let us find here formula, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, now let us substitute here. So if we substitute, so half will be as it is. What is x1 here in the figure? So what is in the x1 here? 4. y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3 means 0. Minus into minus 2 here. Minus of minus 2. Look here, you have equation minus, minus it is plus 2. Okay. Then what is x2 here? 4. y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. It is minus 2 plus 6 here. Minus 2. In equation you have minus, here minus 6. So it is plus 6. Again, x3 it is 3. y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 it is minus 6 minus 0. Okay, now let us simplify this. So half will be as it is. 0 plus 2 it is 2. 2 4s are 8. Minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 it is 4. 4 4s are it is 16. Then minus 6 minus 0 it is minus 6. Minus 6 into 3 it is minus 18. Observe here, 8 plus 6 minus 18. Here 8 plus 16, or you can consider like this. You can do it 8 plus 16. If you consider 8 plus 16, it is 24 minus 18. So 24 minus 18 you will get 6. Okay, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is here? So what is the area here? Area of triangle ADB. We are considering area. So area of triangle ADB, we are getting 3 square units. So 3 square units. Okay, so now let's move on to this ADC. Okay, ADC barona, the same formula you have to write. A is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So now let us substitute half. What is x1? It is 4. y2 minus y3. y2 minus under 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2. Okay. Then plus what is x2 here? x2 it is 4. Again 4. y3 minus y1. y3 it is 2. y1 it is minus into minus it is plus 6. Then plus what is x3? It is 5. y1 minus y2. y1 it is minus 6. It is 0 minus 0. So now let us simplify this. Half. Observe here. Minus 2, right? 0 minus 2 it is minus 2. 4 into minus 2 it is minus 8. Again 6 plus 2 8. 8 4s are here. 0 minus 2 it is minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 it is minus 8. 6 plus 2 it is 8. 8 4s are 32. Plus 5 minus 6 it is minus 30. So now if we simplify, observe. Minus 8 minus 30 it is minus 38 plus 32. Now if we simplify this half, it will be minus 6, right? 1s are minus 3s are. Observe, you are getting minus 3. You can tell me that, ma'am, it is minus. How it can be equal? So observe, whenever we are considering area, area will be positive. You can write area is positive, we have to consider. Okay, so that means it is 3 square units. 3 square units. So in both the cases, ADB is also 3 square units. Here area of triangle ADC. ADC is also 3 square units. Therefore what you can write? Area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. So that means median is dividing the whole triangle into 2 equal areas. Okay, it is dividing into 2 triangle of equal areas. Okay, so this is about question number 5. So take the median. First find the other vertices using midpoint formula. Okay, then apply area of triangle separately for both the triangles like ADB and ADC. Then observe, in one case you will get positive, another case you will negative, but we have to consider area is positive, so it is, but the value is same. When you get negative, write the positive value. Okay, so 3 square units, 3 square units. Finally, area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. Okay, so this is about area of triangle concept and also exercise 7.3. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends and keep watching. Thank you.